We'll guide you through how to use FaceTime on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do as you can then chat using it. So to go and get started, the iPhone user needs to come and start the call. So go and open up the FaceTime app. You can then go to the top and go and tap on it, create link. You'll go and get this pop-up. And what we can do is then go and send the link to the Android phone. So in this case, we can go and WhatsApp it or message it. Do what works best for you, and we can then go and send it like so. The iPhone user can then go and tap on the FaceTime link themselves and go and join it. Now on the Android, go and find the link. So go and open up WhatsApp in our case, and we can then go and tap the link like so, and it'll open up. We need to go and enter in a name for the FaceTime. We can then press continue, and then we can press join in the top right like so. We'll need to go and be let in, so I'll go and do that on the other device. We can go and press camera on the top, and that's it. We're now using FaceTime. If you found this useful, then leave a like.